Meta is shaking up the advertising world, but not in the way many expected. When Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg unveiled his vision in May, he painted a future where artificial intelligence could take over the entire advertising process, from crafting creative content to targeting audiences and tracking sales results. On a podcast with Stratacurry's Ben Thompson, Zuckerberg described this as a redefinition of the category of advertising. This bold statement sent ripples through the industry, with many executives interpreting it as a direct challenge to traditional ad agencies, fearing that AI might render their roles obsolete. But here's where it gets controversial. Fast forward to Meta's recent closed-door agency summit in New York, and the tone has shifted dramatically. According to the event agenda reviewed by Adweek, Meta emphasized a renewed commitment to agencies, focusing on enhancing agency resources and tools aimed at growth. Instead of sidelining agencies, Meta showcased its current AI-powered solutions like the Instagram Creator Marketplace and the Partnership Ads Hub, and even distributed free training vouchers to help agencies master Meta's advertising tools. These vouchers grant access to blueprint training courses, which certify agencies on platforms such as Instagram and WhatsApp, ensuring they are well-equipped to navigate Meta's advertising ecosystem. A Meta spokesperson confirmed that handing out free training vouchers is a common practice at their events, reinforcing their support for agencies. One agency executive who attended the summit described the experience as a total 180 compared to the anxiety sparked by Zuckerberg's earlier remarks. Rather than positioning AI as a replacement, Meta framed these tools as convenience boosters, designed to help agencies work more efficiently within Meta's platforms. When Adweek asked Meta about this apparent shift, a company spokesperson firmly stated that their commitment to agencies remains unchanged, pushing back against any suggestion that they are moving away from agency partnerships. To understand why this matters, consider that in 2024, a staggering 97% of Meta's revenue came from advertising. AI has played a significant role in this success, contributing to a 21% increase in ad revenue during the second quarter alone. This influx of money fuels Meta's broader AI ambitions, from developing advanced chips to expanding data centers. While Meta presents its AI ad tools as helpful aids for agencies and smaller brands with limited budgets, the reality is that the underlying algorithms are gradually steering advertisers toward leveraging first-party data and automation. This shift makes agencies indispensable as data providers and facilitators for advertisers. Zuckerberg himself outlined this vision at Meta's annual shareholder meeting in June, saying, "In the not-too-distant future, we want any business to just tell us what objective they're trying to achieve, how much they're willing to pay, connect their bank account, and then we just do the rest." This futuristic approach is already being implemented through AI tools like Meta's Advantage Plus media buying platform and creator discovery and recommendations, which identify organic content with high potential to perform well as paid ads. However, this AI-driven strategy has sparked debate. In November, Meta updated its algorithm to prioritize signal-rich advertisers, those who provide detailed first-party data via the Conversions API. Advertisers relying solely on basic tracking pixels reportedly experienced weaker results. By January, Meta introduced multiple custom conversion metrics, further emphasizing the critical role agencies play in gathering and managing data. Two ad buyers expressed concern to Adweek that agencies remain essential to Meta's data strategy, raising questions about the balance of power and control in this evolving landscape. Meta acknowledges that many factors influence ad performance, and that both agencies and brands have best practices to follow. A Meta spokesperson told Adweek a first-party data strategy is one part of that, highlighting that data is just one piece of a complex puzzle. Interestingly, Meta is also actively recruiting for roles focused on agency relations. For instance, a recent job posting for a global agency development lead aims to strengthen partnerships with agencies worldwide. Another open position for a client solutions manager focuses on educating agencies about Meta's products and expanding collaborative opportunities. So what does this all mean? Is Meta truly doubling down on agencies, or is it quietly reshaping the advertising ecosystem to make agencies more dependent on its AI-driven data strategies? And here's the part most people miss. While AI promises to simplify advertising, it might also be consolidating control in Meta's hands, with agencies caught in the middle. What do you think? Are agencies poised to thrive alongside AI? Or are they being nudged into a more subservient role? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below.